Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you how to check the warranty status for this laptop. So first thing we'll have to check is our device's serial number. The quickest way to check the serial number of your device is to open a command prompt for which you have to type CMD right here, and then open this up, right clicking on it and selecting run as administrator, then confirm clicking yes. Then in the command prompt you'll have to input WMIC BIOS get serial number. Like this, and press enter. And down below you'll get a serial number for your device, just selecting using the left key and right click on it. Now to check the warranty status, let's look up HP check warranty in your browser, and you'll have the original website will open for you as the first link. Click on it. Then once you enter the official HP website, select the country or region of purchase, and then right here paste your serial number. Select send, and on this page you'll be able to check all the information about your device and its warranty. As you can see, for me the warranty has expired. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.